What's up applicant? Today we will see deadline of Busan National University for Gks-Ug 2024. If you are applying for Busan National University Gks-Ug 2024, this video is for you. For checking the deadline, I have opened the overview file of Busan National University. This is the Korean version of the overview information file. We need the English version, Okay, finally we got the English version. You have to read each and every point carefully if you are applying for Pusan National University. These are the available department. You can apply in these measures. Okay, when I scroll down, I was able to see the deadline. Are you excited or nervous? Okay, let's check it together. Application selection procedure. Application screening period. Estimated date 1st of September to 13th of October. I repeat 13th of October, but remember this is estimated date. Once the application guidelines are released on Study in Korea website, the accurate date of an application and screening period will be posted on university website. So let's check the university website because it says estimated date and we cannot rely on that. This is the postal submission address. Check it very carefully. Let's check the website for Gks-Ug 2024 deadline notification notice. Let's copy paste the website link. I just copied and pasting on. Oh, here I see blackpink. Oh, focus on application. I pasted the link. I click on this one, but when I check the notification on this website PNU International, I couldn't found any latest notification related to Gks-Ug. This is the old one, Gks 2022 graduate. I checked the website but there was no notification. See, there is no latest notification. I thought this is the wrong website, maybe the older version, because the latest notification is 2022. So I went back and click on the first website, PNU International. Now I clicked on notice or international student notice, but still there was no notification related to Gks-Ug 2024. So in this case, what should an applicant do? See, there is no notification. So in this case, if you are applying for PNU Pusan National University, email the university for the exact deadline for sending the application. Email the university for the deadline, and if you get the exact deadline, please comment down below. All the best for your application. See you in the next video. Bye bye.